Hello and welcome back to another installment. As you can see, you find me again in the cellar. I'm painting the floor black, which is the primer for the bitumen mat. It stinks, it's sticky, it burns through plastic, and it's basically just poison, but somebody's got to do it. So that's what I'm doing. So a lot of drilling later, we've got the two units, one for the ceiling cooling system and this one will be for the underfloor heating. Here we are at our local recycling depot. Just getting rid of some of the waste that we have. Hello. Since we put these beams in for the kind of attic room that we've got going here, we're now sealing up the post holes. We've measured it all out so that it's level, that they're sitting true in the two holes, one there and one at the other end. And of course we've put in a foam to hold it in place, and I'm just finishing that off now with the fine cement, so that when it comes to plastering, that everything's pretty much on a level, so it's easier to get the plastering done. So that's what I'm doing now. Let me show you. This doesn't have to be too perfect because of course this is inside the flooring, so the beams here will be cladded on both sides. Of course the floor comes on the top here. I'm thinking of like a nut and feather wood board floor for an attic space. You don't really need more. We don't need any kind of bucket floor or anything. And then below with a USB board and some plasterboard. So the space up here is looking pretty good. It's kind of smaller than I imagined it to be in terms of the headroom. It's about like 1.5 meters, no, not even probably, to the highest point, which is in the middle there. But still, you know, it's a space where you could sit in, like sitting on the boards here. There's still a bit of space, and eventually, because we've got access to the 2 bedrooms up here, and this behind me is more or less just a window down to the kitchen. Will be a bit of an extension of the kids' bedroom, that's the plan anyway. Otherwise it was just going to be lost space up here with not really much going on other than a hallway with a high roof. The temperature's rising now on our sunny terrace, but it's -12 today, so it's pretty cold. Been cutting some wood, and 10 minutes is all you can handle before your hands start to freeze. Well, at least me. Maybe I'm just weak. But beautiful day. Sunrise at 9:30. Middle of January. And cold and crisp. So we're keeping things heated in here. You have to. Although the house is maintaining a stable kind of 1 degree when we don't heat, which is also good, considering we've got no insulation on the bricks or anything. So cold winter. So Pep has foamed this one in, so it holds in place. Of course, like, you know, we can't nail it in, or we could lash it, but then you'd have the lashes outside of the brickwork. So to avoid that, we just use up the foam we have, which just sticks it in place, and then we just plaster over it, cover it in.